Good afternoon. This is the Daily Byte. Enjoy your commute as I bring you the latest tech developments. Big themes today: AI creeping onto your wrist, into your CMS, and deep inside data center memory, and a fresh model bump from Anthropic. Apple and AI wearables. Apple is exploring a trio of AI-enabled wearables. Details are still under wraps, but think on-device intelligence, richer sensors, and assistants that feel more context-aware, not just notifications on your wrist. If Apple moves beyond watch into new form factors, expect fresh services, health features, and new chip designs tuned for low-power AI. It's early, and prototypes don't always ship, but when Apple iterates behind the scenes, it usually means a bigger play is coming. WordPress.com bakes in an AI assistant. Inside the block editor, you can now ask the assistant to edit copy, change tone, tweak layout styles, and even generate images, all without leaving your post. That's a big quality of life win for bloggers, small businesses, and marketers who juggle words, formatting, and visuals. Caveat, as always, review outputs for accuracy and brand voice. Open questions still matter: pricing, data usage, and which models power it. But the right restyle publish loop just got faster. Meta's own research on parental supervision. According to recent reporting, internal findings suggest parental tools don't meaningfully reduce teens' compulsive social media use. They may help conversations at home, sure, but they don't break engagement loops or late-night scrolling. That undercuts the idea that dashboards alone are enough, pushing the focus towards safety by default, calmer feeds, fewer nudges, and stricter defaults for minors. Translation: more pressure on platforms, and possibly regulators, to change the underlying product, not just add settings. Running AI is becoming a memory game. Serving large models isn't just about flops anymore. It's about HBM capacity and how you juggle the KV cache. Long prompts and chat sessions balloon memory use, so stacks lean on page detention, cache quantization, and smarter batching to keep latency in check. Frameworks like VLLM and TensorRT-LM squeeze more tokens per gigabyte, while new GPUs chase higher bandwidth. Bottom line, memory efficiency now drives cost, speed, and what features, like ultra-long context, are actually affordable. Anthropic's Sonnet 4.6. The update looks like a point release focused on speed, reliability, and better tool coding performance, possibly with context or multimodal gains. If you ship agents or AI-enhanced apps, even single-digit latency and accuracy bumps can be a big deal. Expect quick retests by teams on Bedrock, Vertex, or direct APIs, and watch for pricing or throughput tweaks. Details are still being confirmed, but iteration cadence here is the story: frequent, steady, and aimed at production needs. Now zooming in on that last update, Anthropic's Sonnet 4.6. Why it matters. Model iteration is how enterprises buy confidence. A point release that trims latency, boosts reasoning consistency, and tightens tool use can lower costs per task, cut hallucinations, and make AI features feel instant rather than thinking. Who's affected? SaaS builders rolling out copilots, internal IT teams automating support, and developers wiring up Retrieval Plus tools. Sonnet is often the sweet spot between speed and smarts. The broader implication is competitive pressure. If Sonnet 4.6 improves coding and agent reliability, it nudges teams to re-benchmark against OpenAI and Google, and may prompt rivals to adjust pricing or context limits. Expect quick availability checks across clouds, AWS Bedrock, Google Vertex, and a flurry of evals focused on throughput per dollar, function calling accuracy, and guardrail behavior. If image or multimodal support tightens, you'll see richer workflows. Think docs plus screenshots plus structured outputs in one pass. What's next? More granular tiers, larger context options where it truly helps, and SDK updates that make tool orchestration simpler so apps feel snappy and trustworthy, not just clever. Do you like this quick conversational format? Are there other topics you would enjoy in this format? Let me know in the comments. Also, if you find value in these tech updates, hit like, subscribe, and I'll continue making these. See you in the next Daily Byte.